Here's a quick reminder on how to use Sign Up Genius. So you're going to sign up for 3 sessions unless you're approved for some other scenario that day. So you want to make sure you're in the right time session. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on one for 8:30 and then just click on something for 9:30, and then I'm going to go down and make sure I'm in the 10:30 session, and I'll pick something there. I'm going to hit submit and sign up. And then I'm going to check and make sure that I have the right time periods. And if I don't have the right time periods or I made a mistake, I can go ahead and click cancel right here. But everything looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and put my name in. And then I'm going to just hit sign up now. You do not have to put your email address in. You can, and you will get reminders. We have them set to send reminders, but you'll also get reminders about the PD day, so it's really not necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign up now. It shows me again what I signed up for. I can go back to the sign up, and I can now see that some of those slots are filled. So once the session is filled, you won't be able to sign into it anyhow. So that's how you will sign up for the PD day. Easy peasy.